This is a super easy bundt cake recipe and the flavors are fun and delicious. All you need is one 15-ounce box of cake of your choice. I got chocolate here, and then also a box of instant pudding. I got Oreo, and it's actually a baker's secret to bake that pudding in with your cake to make it extra moist. And then I'm also gonna put some Reese's peanut butter cups on top. You can do all kinds of different flavors. Yeah, I love when that happens. All kinds of different flavors. You could get the white cake mix or yellow, and then with the pudding, of course, there's butterscotch, vanilla. There's all kind of different variations that you can do. Just keep the measurements the same. So I love the Oreo and Reese's peanut butter cup mix. And then you've got half a cup of applesauce, which is going to help bring everything together. You've got your cup of water and 3 eggs that you're going to add in and give it a good mix. Get all of those lumps out. And then you're going to add your mix-ins, 1 cup of whatever you want. There's honestly endless options. You could also do chopped nuts, hazelnuts. You could have a lot of fun here. Just make sure it's 1 cup or a little bit more if you want it a bit sweeter. And then you're going to pour it into a well-greased Bundt pan and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, and insert a toothpick and make sure there's no batter on the toothpick, and that's whenever it's going to be ready. And you're going to want to let this cool in the pan for 20 minutes and then flip it over onto your board that you're going to glaze on. This cake turned out wonderful. It is seriously so moist and delicious, full of flavor. This is a peanut butter sauce that I made myself, just an idea. You can use a different type of peanut butter sauce if you want. This of course is PB2 with a little bit of almond milk, and then I've got some crushed Oreos and some cut up of those Reese's peanut butter cups, and we are just going to make a simple glaze. I will leave in the description below the recipe for that. It's just powdered sugar with milk and some melted butter, and you mix it up until you get the consistency that you want, and you can have fun, decorating your cake. You'll see in the final picture that my cake needed to cool just a little bit longer, but I was having a piece cut and my husband was going to take it to my in-laws and he was going to see them, so we kind of had to hurry up. But here the cake was a little bit warm, so it kind of melted a little bit of that glaze, but it was still delicious. So definitely make sure that you let your cake cool all the way, and then you can top it with whatever toppings you want, make it look pretty. And I also put that peanut butter sauce in a squeeze bottle and just kind of tried to squeeze over it, make it kind of a nice design. And I will leave the recipe for the glaze. It's a lot thicker than mine here because I thinned mine out a bit with milk so that it wouldn't be as sweet. But if you follow the recipe that I'll include, it'll be a nice thick glaze. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see comfort food like this. Tried to make healthy the best we can, but this definitely was a treat because I don't make cakes often. Thanks so much for watching.